Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can allow animated images or emojis on Slack. Maybe you wanted to allow those but you don't know how. In today's video, I am going to show you on how you can allow animated images and emojis on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you'll see this U icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. After that, you will see here the preferences. Tap on these preferences and you'll see the accessibility, and below that, you'll see allow animated images and emojis. This only affects what you see. Toggle this button to turn it on. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can allow animated images and emojis on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can allow animated images and emojis on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.